Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Hey guys! Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. It's Chrisberleen here, or you guys can call me Cheese for short. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to remove a stubborn mold without scrubbing, brushing, without using a lot of chemicals on it, without telling your husband to scrape the molds every time they come out. And this product really changed my life. I'm right. Yep. This is a miracle product. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. So let me show you now. It's called Glassguard Miracle Mold Removing Gel. I threw the box already, but they have it's so minimal. It's a black and white color, and it has a cover here, but it comes with this. It comes with this separately, and no. I mean, it comes with this. This is separate. Actually, this is separate thing. So whatever. Oh my! I'm making a mess. Whoa. Anyway, you just need to open it like this, and you boom. I'll show you later how to apply it. But anyway, let me just show you how it looks like so you have an idea. But you can still see that in the website anyway. So this is the 300 ml. It's already bigger than my face. But they have so many, they have 300, 500 ml and whatever. And at the back it says Miracle Mold Removing Gel, removal rate of 99%. It seems true, very true. I mean, they're not lying. So the gel can be used on any tiles, ceramic, glass, plastic, or silicone surfaces. It also includes tiles, grout, bathroom sink, bathtub, toilet, windows, frames, doors, veranda, pool area, and solar panel, ovens, bench tops, washing machines, and dishwashers, or name it. Wherever there's molds in it, it just removes. So anyway, without further ado, let's go and see how my bathtub looks like with a mold. This is how it looks like before its ewness. And I forgot to take a video of it because I was really excited to apply the mold remover. And this is another corner of our bathtub. Both look pretty bad. After I applied it, I waited for a couple of hours and checked on it, and this is how it looks like before I wiped it. And this is how it looks like after I wipe it with a damp cloth. Big difference. And this is the other corner. It's mostly gone. I reapply it again the next day. So this time I'm taking a video now to show it to you how it's applied. It looks like a cloudy gel. So I'm trying here to put every black spot or dirt that I see. After I apply it where the molds are, especially in the corners, of the bathtub, I wait for 3 to 5 hours, sometimes more than that, or even 2 hours. It depends. I usually do it at night because no one is using the shower or using the bathtub, so it's completely dry. Make sure it's dry. So when I put it in, bam, I wait for that while we're doing something in the house, and then after 3 to 5 hours I checked it, and I was like, what? It just disappeared. I mean, that was really my reaction, and I really ran and told my husband about it. It was like, look at it, look, it's gone. I mean, we have molds every time. I mean, every time it comes out, I think it has a root underneath, the mold root, that I always tell my husband, hey, scrape that mold, and he will scrape it, cock it, and it'll come out again. Scrape it, and then it'll come out again. I think it's just there waiting, you know, I'm waiting. So anyway, when I did that, it disappeared. I mean, it shows a little bit of transparent after that, and I wipe it with a damp cloth all over. And then if you can see there in the picture, I can still see a little bit of molds on it, just still a little bit more. So the next day I redo it again, I apply it again, same at night. No one's using the bathroom, no one's using the shower. I was like, okay, I'll put it on. And the next time I did it, everything is gone. So all the molds are completely gone. I mean, this is such a miracle product. So right after that, maybe a couple of weeks or a month, it shows up again. So I think there's a deep down, that corner of our bathtub has roots. It's still there. And then, so of course I have this, yay, I put it on. It disappeared after 5 hours. And then after that, the second time I did that, the second time it shows up, the mold, when I did this, it completely gone. Until now, it never shows up. I guess it killed all the roots underneath that thing. So we don't need to scrape it, remove it, and or put any chemicals in it. Our bathtub is painted and coated, so we're not allowed to use any chemicals on it. So I only use dish washing liquid to clean our bathtub. I just can't put any bleach there and scrub it every time, apply to it, wait, and then boom, it's gone. There's no scrubbing, no brushing. I mean, that's what we wanted. If it's super stubborn, reapply it again and reapply. But I mean, I did it only twice. It comes out like the second time. I mean, it never came out ever again. So if ever, I still have a lot here. If it take a while, there's some like a liquid. It comes out like a water after, not a gel anymore. So what you're gonna do, just kind of shake it really good. Shake until it gets jelly again. So just in case, if you're like, why it's watery coming out, so just shake it. They also have some more products aside from mold. They also have a stain remover for your glass, either shower glass or windows that has a stubborn stain on it, that even we're gonna use any glass cleaner, it's not gonna remove. But they have that. It goes shiny, it removes effortlessly. I mean, I haven't tried it yet. Maybe sometime I will try it. And then I hope they could have a stain remover as well for the clothes when it comes to like paint, crayons, Sharpie, pen. Like, no need to brush it. You just apply it and then wait for it, and it will disappear without staining the clothes or bleaching it or whatever. Because every time I stain my son's clothes, like maybe he will have paint on it, I have to wash it right away, scrub it, brush it right away, because if not, then it will stay there and it goes to the trash. But if they have this product, like, you put it on, and the paint or the stain, food stain, Sharpie, it's just gonna disappear. I'm gonna really buy that. That's gonna be another like a miracle stain clothing remover. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope it's a helpful video for you guys, and for me anyway, it was a very helpful. Is one of the problems that like I just don't want to deal with, especially molds. I don't need to bother my husband to, hey, scrape that mold. But it was an amazing product. I didn't know this exists, and you guys already know this exists. Please like this video if you like it, if it's helpful, and comment down below if you already had this and it helps you, or if you have any questions. I will try to answer. Subscribe to this channel or hit that notification bell so it will ding you every time I upload another video. I usually make contents like this, more like honest review of the products that makes your life a little bit easier and simpler. But anyway, before I go, let me remind you this: be kind to others, and also be kind and gentle with yourself. So have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you soon. Bye!